Three stories, one practice. The ark is your breath vessel. Jonah's whale is the forced reset when you refuse the call. The Sabbath is your solar plexus, the resting altar where breath returns to I am. Isis is pure awareness. Is pure isness, the least common denominator of the subject-object relationship. Osiris is Isis's perfect reflection, heard as is or is. This is I am, turning statements back into seeing. Set is imagination riding the breath. Horus is the time-bound mask. Use this phrase map, I am equals Isis and Osiris, being with clear reflection. I am doing points to set, projection and action, useful when it serves. I am with a label points to Horus, the identity mask. Use it, do not be used by it. The Vortex math diagram encodes the 7 days of creation. 6 motions trace 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, forming and returning. The 7th is the still sender, Sabbath. Day 1 is the spark of awareness, let there be light. Day 2 is the clean split, above and below, in and out. Day 3 is structure, ground and seed. Day 4 is signs and seasons, rhythm laid over motion. Day 5 is teeming life, waves of sensation and thought. Day 6 is the steward, 5 senses choosing presence. Day 7 is the stop, a return to center at the solar plexus. Digits and chakras are mirrored across the loop. 1 and 8 are root, Muladhara. 2 and 7 are sacral, Svadhisthana. 5 and 4 are heart, Anahata. 3 is throat, Vishuddha. 6 is brow, Ajna. The center dot is 0, the solar plexus, Manipura, the Sabbath altar in the body. 9 is the crown, Sahasrara. Now the 3-6-9 track. In the myth, Isis reassembles Osiris, but the phallus is missing. She fashions a substitute, reanimates him, and from that union Horus is conceived. In this lens, 3-6-9 is that substitute phallus, a prosthetic of time, clocks, signs, seasons, language, and imagery. When it serves awareness and reflection, it is a sacred tool. When it rules the breath, it hardens into a false phallus, projection that forges the Horus mask. So we build the ark to keep 3-6-9 in its place. The ark is how you breathe. Inside the ark, take 3 I am breaths. Breath 1 rests at 1, root, I. Breath 2 rests at 2, sacral, AM. Breath 3 rests at 3, heart, I am. After the third breath, pause at 0, the solar plexus. This is the Sabbath in the body. Then release along 8-7-5, letting emotions enter 2 by 2 and settle in unity before you sail on. Watch the animals enter 2 by 2. This is emotion entering in balanced pairs. Fear with courage, anger with understanding, desire with contentment, grief with praise, envy with gratitude, pride with humility, sloth with zeal. Paired in awareness, feelings stop stampeding and start serving. Ignore the call and the whale arrives, a forced Sabbath, 3 nights symbolizing 3 breaths of reset until you are returned to shore. You are recentered at the solar plexus, speaking from presence instead of panic. The pattern is simple. Isis simply is, pure isness. Osiris is the is or is, the perfect reflection of is or is, known as I am. Set says I am doing. Horus says I am with a label. Each Sabbath, the breath bows at the solar plexus and the mask loosens. The ark is every steady inhale. The rainbow is every gentle release. The covenant after the storm. 7 colors for 7 days. The bow laid down as the breath lays down its push and returns to rest at the solar plexus. The Sabbath is the golden still point in your center, the day within every day, where the 7 of creation resolves back into one presence.